In the last video we looked at this angle of intersection between the radius vector and the tangent. Today let us take up this problem, angle of intersection between the curves r squared sine 2 theta is equal to 4 and r squared is equal to 16 2 theta. We need to recall this. We have two curves. What is the angle of intersection between these two curves? We draw a tangent at the point of intersection. This here P is the point of intersection. We need to draw two tangents, T1 for curve C1 and T2 for curve C2. What is the angle of intersection between these two tangents? That is phi 2 minus phi 1. That is the angle between these two tangents. What is phi 1? Angle between the radius vector OP and tangent T1, and phi 2 is the angle between the radius vector OP and tangent T2. If you subtract phi 2 from phi 1 or phi 1 from phi 2, we get this angle between two tangents. Here the first curve is r squared sine 2 theta is equal to 4. Let us rewrite this as r squared is equal to 4 by sine 2 theta. And the second curve is r squared is equal to 16 into sine 2 theta. R is on one side and theta is on another side. LHS R, RHS we have theta. These are the two curves. We need to find out the angle between these two tangents. At this point P, actually this point P is common for these two curves C1 and C2. So we can equate this RHS of this with RHS of this. That is nothing but 4 by sine 2 theta is equal to 16 into sine 2 theta. We need to know what is theta. That is why we are equating RHS of this with RHS of this. That is nothing but 4 4s are 16. That is 4 cross multiplication into sine squared 2 theta is equal to 1. What is sine squared 2 theta is equal to? That is equal to 1 by 4. What is sine 2 theta is equal to root of 1 by 4, which is 1 by 2. What is 2 theta is equal to? You have scientific calculator, it is allowed in the examination. 2 theta is equal to sine inverse of half, which is nothing but 30 degree, or you can write it as pi by 6. Then what is theta is equal to? Theta is equal to pi by 12. We need to know the angle of intersection between these two curves. For this curve we need to find out tan phi, as well as for this curve we need to find out tan phi. Let us call this as tan phi 1, tan phi 1, and this as tan phi 2. This curve is r squared sine 2 theta is equal to 4. Let me take log on both sides. Let us apply log. This becomes log of r squared sine 2 theta is equal to log 4. We have this property of logarithms. Now log of mn is equal to log m plus log n. So here it becomes log r squared plus log of sine 2 theta. is equal to log 4. Now what is log a to the power b equal to b log a? So let us make use of this. Let us make use of that property and write this as 2 log r plus log of sine theta sine 2 theta is equal to log 4. Now if you differentiate this r with respect to theta, 2 into what is log r, if you differentiate this, log r becomes 1 by r into r is dr by d theta plus log of sine 2 theta is equal to 1 by sine 2 theta into, for sine 2 theta now we need to differentiate sine, log of m is equal to 1 by m. When you differentiate that, it becomes 1 by m. Here it is m is sine 2 theta, so we need to differentiate even that becomes cos 2 theta, and then we need to differentiate 2 theta, that becomes 2, is equal to log 4, which is a constant number, so it becomes 0. Here 2 by r into dr by d theta is equal to minus 2 into cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. This gets cancelled. This is nothing but 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cos by sin is cot 2 theta. We have minus here. We know that r into d theta by dr is tan phi. So 1 by r into dr by d theta is reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan. 1 by tan phi is equal to cot phi. Cot phi is equal to minus cot 2 theta. We know that cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So here we can write this RHS as cot of minus 2 theta, that is equal to minus cot theta. Therefore phi is equal to minus 2 theta. Let us call this as phi 1. Now let us consider the second curve here. R squared is equal to 16 into sin 2 theta. Now let us consider the second curve. R squared is equal to 16 2 theta. Let me just write it here. R squared is equal to 16 into sin 2 theta. Again let us take log on both sides. This becomes 2 log r is equal to log 16 plus log of sin 2 theta. Let us differentiate this with respect to theta. That becomes 2 into 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to, this is a constant, so this becomes a 0, plus log of sin 2 theta is nothing but log m. When you differentiate it, it is 1 by m, so it is sin 1 by sin 2 theta into, we need to differentiate this term also, that is cos 2 theta, and then we need to differentiate 2 theta, that is nothing but 2. So this becomes, this 2 gets cancelled with this 2, and this becomes cot phi 2. Let us call this angle as phi 2 is equal to cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta is nothing but cot 2 theta. Therefore phi 2 is equal to 2 theta. We have phi 1 equal to minus 2 theta, phi 2 equal to 2 theta. Angle of intersection between these two curves is nothing but mod of phi 1 minus phi 2, which is equal to, what is phi 1? Minus 2 theta minus 2 theta, that is nothing but 4 theta. And we have already found out theta here. Theta is equal to pi by 2. So 4 theta is equal to 4 into this is not pi by 2. 2 theta is equal to pi by 6. So theta is equal to pi by 12. So 4 theta becomes 4 into this value, that is pi by 2 here. 4 into pi by 12, not 2. That is nothing but pi by 3. This is the answer. Angle of intersection between these two curves. R squared sin 2 theta is equal to 4 and R squared is equal to 16 into sin 2 theta is pi by 3.